That's terrific. And we are covering Colorado's weather tonight. Meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Still hard to believe, Dave. I'm sorry.
Hard to believe, Kathy, but in the next 36 hours, we're going to see just about everything except hail, tornadoes, and locusts, I think, around here. Look at the smoke we've got going on. This is the mousetrap view into downtown, all from that fire burning south of Red Feather Lakes. 93 degrees out there right now. Take a look at the visible satellite, and here's the smoke plume. Look at this. Yesterday it was flowing all the way into Fort Collins, Fort Morgan out this way, and now it's moving kind of down to the southeast here. You could see it just spreaded from Larimer County all the way down to Lyman and pushing more into Longmont, the Denver area, down into Golden down here. And this is going to remain with us through tomorrow. So unfortunately, tomorrow will be a day much like today. And today was a hot one. We tied the record high, 97 degrees out there at DIA. Same thing downtown, and it's still hot out there, 93 at the moment. Humidity, very dry, 10% humidity. That was the reason for the red flag warning still going on for most of the state. Here's the heat. If it makes you feel any better, Las Vegas right now is 113. So we're nowhere near that. Here's our change coming. Now, day by day, I've seen this blue just kind of inch down towards sections of the Dakotas down here. And you could already see it just kind of tapping on the door of Bismarck here where it's 68. Saskatoon is 57, 46 in Yellowknife, and that cool air is coming down. It's not like the middle of winter, but it's a lot cooler than we've been the last couple of days. And when it arrives, it's going to kick up an upslope around here, and that's the reason for the snow. So tomorrow, we're still hot, still 90-degree temperatures. And then tomorrow night into Tuesday, there comes the cold wave coming through. We could have a record low high coming up on Tuesday and a couple of record lows overnight Tuesday and Wednesday as well. We'll show you those numbers in a second. Let's jump to Monday and show you what's going to happen. Now, tomorrow afternoon, clouds will increase up north. It's going to be a warm, sunny day for most of the state during the day tomorrow. It's not till tomorrow night that the moisture starts to come in. And about just after midnight, we start to see a little bit of rain develop up in northern Colorado. And Tuesday morning, it's kind of a rain-snow mix. That's the map at 8 o'clock in the morning. And then about 9, 10 o'clock, the cold air really starts to settle in and everything changes over to snow. And it looks like we could see accumulating snow all the way through Wednesday morning around eastern Colorado. For that reason, winter storm watch in place late Monday through Tuesday. Here again are the numbers, about 3 to 6 in Denver. There's going to be a lot of melting going on. So most of that will be on the grassy areas. A lot of wet roads out there. 2 to 4, Fort Collins to Greeley, 6 to 12 in the foothill areas. Anything above about 7,000 feet, 7,500 feet in that 6 to 12 zone. If the cooler air comes in earlier, could have a little more snow than that, and we will have significant snow down there in the Sangre de Cristos and the San Luis Valley as well with this snow coming in. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the 90s here across the east. Now watch what happens on Tuesday. High temperatures only in the 30s and 40s by then. So tonight, upper 50s, smoke-filled skies out there. Our high temperature tomorrow, 93, 95 downtown with hazy sunshine. And then Tuesday, there's the 37, there's the 29, 42 on Wednesday. And then we break out of it on Thursday and Friday, Kathy, with 50s and 60s there. But that 37 on Tuesday could be the coldest the high has ever been on that day. And that 29 and that 32 could be new record lows for us as well.
All right, Dave.
Okay.
I believe you. Thank you. Well, the Denver Nuggets are feeling confident.